So Jacinta, just tell me how Ava was when you first came to see me.
So when we first came to see you, Ava was coughing every night, grinding her teeth. No one in the house would get any sleep because she would cough consistently all night, and we would try everything: vaporizers, the Vicks, adjusting her bed up. We would do anything. I even used to sleep with her because I was so scared that she would stop breathing because her breathing pattern wasn't consistent. She would hold her breath when she would sleep, and then I would have to shake her and say, "Breathe, Ava, breathe, Ava." And as a parent, it's not a nice feeling when your child does that. So it wasn't very nice, and it affected the whole family. The whole family would be woken up by her coughing, and this had been going on since she was a baby, because when she was 11 weeks old she got a respiratory infection, and we thought that it was as a result of that she would be stuck with the breathing difficulties. Well, we were told she would grow out of it, but she is 6.5 now, and it did gradually improve a little bit, but she was still sick a lot of the time, and it was tough for everyone in our house.
I remember when you first came to see me, one of the things you were most concerned about was that stopping breathing and her sleep and all the infections that she would get, the constant respiratory infections.
Yep.
Yeah.
She was constantly sick, and I just thought she had a low immune system, and whenever she had a slight nasal drip, we knew we were in for a heavy ride for the next couple of weeks, and we would just pump her full of Ventolin and Flixotide. And then we had her tested for everything under the sun at the hospital. Of course they did all the tests and nothing came back. They said she may have a mild form of asthma, and we assumed that was it, because of the constant breathing difficulties, coughing at night. So it's been a tough journey, but...
So, yeah, well look, when I first met you, and you remember, Ava, you could not breathe through your nose, could you? You were a complete mouth breather when I first met you. Your nose was really blocked, and you breathed really fast. And now, well, let's see, it's 2 months since Ava has done the course. So what's happening now?
No symptoms at all. Sleep through the night, except for when she wants a cuddle from her mum. No coughing, no teeth grinding, no... What else, Ava?
Well, I'll tell you what, Ava, you grab your symptom tracker there and show everyone what your symptom tracker looks like. So if you pick that up, and we can have a look, we can see. And let's have a look. Look at Ava's symptoms. Now, can you see at the start of the course, you can see, we haven't put the assessment date up there, but I'm sure I can remember what that is. But here we are. You can see all those symptoms at the start of the course, and look here we are today on the 31st of October, no symptoms. Isn't that amazing? Okay, that's great. You can put that one down. Isn't that wonderful? That says it all, really, doesn't it?
Well, I found you because I was trawling around on Facebook, and an ad came up saying, you were talking about the symptoms, and they were exactly what Ava had. So I called you straight away, and I thought, I'm so desperate, I will give absolutely anything a try, because we had tried anything and everything. And we started the course, and literally overnight Ava was a new kid.
Yeah, and I have to sort of pipe in here and say it's not always that quick. So he was amazing. It was just literally from day one we started seeing improvements, didn't we? It's absolutely spectacular.
It's amazing. You have definitely changed your life. Thank
Yeah,
you.
well, it's been wonderful to take you through and have such a fantastic student.
Because you've
Ava?
been sick since 11 weeks old, basically.
So fantastic. Well, let's hopefully that other people will see this and they'll be inspired to do what you've done. Yeah? Full marks to you.